Imagine you're using a power tool that has no reliability or efficiency. Will it be worth your project? Well, Bosch Power Tools are the name that will solve your issues and keep you on the go. This North American company has been making innovative tools from the beginning and now dominating each field of power tools. This power tool brand brings mobility solutions and topmost innovations and offers a wide-ranging forum for experts and professionals. So in today's video, we're going to show you the 7 best Bosch power tools that feature the newest technologies for absolute convenience. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Complete your heavy-duty grinding and cutting with the Bosch GWS-18V13CN, an extra-powerful cordless grinder that's packed with top-grade technologies and delivers corded-like power for high-demanding applications. This tool features bi-turbo brushless technology with a drivetrain system and equips a powerful brushless motor that delivers up to 8,500 revolutions per minute speed for fast operation. Plus, it has the electronic clutch control that shuts off the tool when the wheel gets into a bind situation. At the same time, the restart protection prevents accidental tool startup for absolute safety. Coming with a vibration control auxiliary handle, it offers you maximum comfort and control, and the lock-on lock-off slide switch allows for extended use applications. It also has a slim, soft grip design and lightweight design, which provides additional grip ergonomics, meaning you can operate it without any fatigue. So if you want a reliable angle grinder with more beneficial aspects, this Bosch GWS-18V13CN will be worth checking out. Next up, we have the Bosch RH328VC36K, an electric rotary hammer drill specially made to complete heavy-duty concrete and metalworking projects with ease and precision. Featuring a powerful 4-pole motor, this hammer drill drives up to 2.4 foot-pounds of impact energy and 4,100 blows per minute with 3 different driving modes. Packed with a 36-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery, it offers a huge runtime and maximum performance for all your drilling and chiseling tasks. With the kickback control, this cordless tool reduces the risk of any accidental bind-up situation, while the vibration control ensures maximum comfort and control. This rotary hammer features the Vario lock positioning, allowing you to do a wide range of applications, and the electronic precision control lets you start it smoothly. In short, the Bosch RH328VC36K shines bright due to its supreme controlling level and power, which will indeed be a great purchase for your next project. Now check out the Bosch GEX12V5N. It's a random orbit sander specially designed to tackle hard-to-reach work areas with professional-grade power and control. Having a powerful 12-volt brushless motor, this sander delivers a no-load speed between 6,000 and 10,000 orbits per minute and meets all the needs of professional applications. This Bosch Orbit sander has a 5-inch, 8-hole sanding pad, making it suitable for flat, concave, convex surfaces with optimal dust collection. With the soft start technology, this Orbit sander reduces startup torque to ease into the workpiece, while the constant speed lets you do a smooth operation for maximum convenience. Weighing only 1.18 pounds, this tool comes with an ergonomic palm grip design that provides absolute control and convenience, and the compact shape lets you get into hard-to-reach areas. To be sure, this Bosch GEX12V5N random orbit sander delivers high material removal rate with all the standout features that every professional and DIY worker must have in their toolbox. Have you ever been faced with power or size issues while drilling at a job site? Then here comes the Bosch GSR-18V 190B22. It's a compact yet heavy-duty drilling solution for tackling the toughest tasks around your workplace. Featuring 2 speed settings, the first is set for high speed, which is up to 1,700 revolutions per minute, and then there's the high power setting, which is between 0 and 450 revolutions per minute. This half-inch compact drill driver has a highly efficient motor that generates up to 480 inch-pounds of torque, while the 2 1.5 amp-hour slim pack batteries offer you outstanding runtime. Plus, the Bosch drill driver provides 20+1 clutch settings, allowing you to do accurate driving, and it also comes with a half-inch keyless ratcheting chuck and an auto-lock system so that you can change your bits easily. Apart from that, you'll get better gripping and greater comfort with its ergonomic grip zone. Also, the built-in LED provides substantial visibility in low-light areas. To sum things up, if you're looking for a compact and durable drill driver for your personal or professional use, then make sure to grab this Bosch GSR-18V 190B22. Are you seeking a great jigsaw for fast cutting on various applications? Then choose the Bosch GST-18V47N. It's a cordless jigsaw with an ergonomic design that delivers powerful and manageable cordless cutting. This jigsaw equips a powerful motor with a variable speed dial that delivers up to 2,700 no-load strokes per minute, letting you match the speed for individual material and applications. Plus, it has a long stroke length of 1 inch and a cutting capability of up to 4.5 inches in wood and up to 7/8 of an inch in aluminum so that you can get the maximum accuracy for your project. Featuring the 4 orbital action settings, it delivers varied blade strokes, while the auto stop system stops the stroke mechanism for extra protection and safety. You'll get a supreme level of comfort and control because it has extended upfront soft grip areas, also an aluminum gearbox with an insulated cover for sufficient durability. Additionally, this tool comes with a dust blower that keeps the cut line visible and free from dust, while the LED light illuminates the low light areas for precise cutting. In order to get a high efficient and reliable jigsaw for your regular job site demands, you've got to keep your eyes on this Bosch GST-18V47N jigsaw. It'll be the ultimate solution for all your projects. Cutting at various angles is the most demanding task at your job site. Keeping that in mind, we have the Bosch GCM-18V 12GDCN miter saw, which will bring out precise results by providing corded performance with a cordless convenience. Featuring the bi-turbo brushless technology with a high-performance motor and drivetrain system, this miter saw is engineered to make your projects way easier and error-free. This cordless miter saw has a large cutting capacity of up to 3.5 inches in depth and up to 13.5 inches in width or crosscut, making it an ideal solution for all your cutting, trimming, finishing, and other tasks. It only weighs 59.3 pounds and offers you amazing portability around your job site, while the upfront bevel control allows easy bevel adjustments and keeps your hands away from the blade. It also features the Eco mode that expands the battery runtime by up to 20% for long operations, and the integrated base extensions simply extend the material support of up to 43 inches. To conclude, having all these quality features on board, this Bosch miter saw will beat its opponents while adding pro-level enhancement to your every project. Last but not least, we have the Bosch 4100 XC10 Table Saw, a worksite table saw with amazing maneuverability and professional-grade qualities to complete the most demanding applications. This powerful 15-amp saw generates about 4.0 max horsepower and delivers up to 3,650 revolutions per minute for outstanding rip cutting and cross-cutting on any fine and rough materials. Having a 30-inch by 22.5-inch tabletop, this table saw provides a 30-inch ripping capacity for up to 4-foot wide sheets. With the constant response circuitry of this table saw, you'll be able to maintain the speed under load while the soft start circuitry manages the intensity of motor startup and prevents circuit breaker tripping. For easy job site mobility, it includes a lighter gravity rise wheeled stand to work seamlessly around your workplace, while the onboard storage allows you to keep all included components easily. Overall, this Bosch 4100 XC10 table saw has convenient portability and superior cutting capacity for all your indoor and outdoor projects, making it the best in its field. So in our opinion, this is the list of the 7 best Bosch power tools that you can own.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.